All right, so we are going to go over a quick review of order of operations. So order of operations is when we do a math problem that has all the different operations in it. As you can see, this has a group, exponents, all kinds of stuff. So the first thing we need to do is review our tower. So on one side of your note card, let's draw our tower. So I'll give you a second to do that. If you need to pause, you can. Draw your tower. Remember, our top letter is always a G for groups, E for exponents, and then on the outside, on this one, we have a man, and on this one, we have the table. So that should be on one side of your note card, okay? Then flip it over and take a second to write down this math problem. Again, if you need to pause, you can go ahead and pause to write that down. All right, let's go ahead and fill in our tower. So I have an exponent I see first, so I have E. I have a minus, so let's go ahead and put subtract. We have a 6 next to parentheses, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a dot there. That is multiply, don't forget that part. Remember, all of that counts as a group, so we're not gonna put that minus because that's part of the group. And then we do have another subtract in the back. All right, and now we can go ahead and solve. So groups are first. So this is my group, but inside the group, I have an exponent and subtract. So exponents come before subtracting. So even inside the group, I need to do that first. So 4 times 4 is what the exponent says, not 4 times 2, 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. And then I still have this inside the group. So now I can subtract and do 16 minus 10, which is 6. Now I can go and rewrite. So again, remember in front we have that multiplication. So times 6 minus 5 squared minus 3. So my group is finished. Now I'm on to an exponent. So now I can do this exponent, which is 5 times 5. And 5 times 5 is not 10, it is 25. And then I can rewrite again. Okay, done with that. Now I'm on to multiply. Now this is 36. 6 times 6 is 36, rewrite. And this is the step where we keep making our mistakes. So I need everybody paying attention right here. We have to do the first subtraction, and again, this is where I'm seeing everybody make a mistake if you do. So if I'm starting with 25 and I take away 36, I need us to remember we can't do that, so my answer is going to be a negative. If you forget that negative, the whole thing is wrong. Then you just subtract like normal. 36 minus 25, 1, 1, so negative 11. We are still not finished. We have that negative 3. This is the next part we keep messing up on. So some of us are just trying to do 11 minus 3. This is a negative, so we have to use the table. Circle your numbers. Both of these are negative, and some of y'all are telling me that that 3 is positive because you're not circling. 11 and 3, same signs you add. So 11 and 3 is 14, and we keep the sign of the negative, so our answer is negative 14.